Today I'm going to show you another one of our favourite salads ready for the summer, and this is the crab salad. This originally came from some neighbours of ours who live next door to us in Port Al's who were Belgian, so I think it might originate from Belgium. But I haven't changed the recipe much at all because it's just perfect as it is. So for this recipe we need crab sticks, and you can see here that I've taken all the layers off them, all the outside packaging. Eggs, which I'm going to boil. I've got 10 here to go with quite a lot of crab sticks, and it has to be Hellman's mayonnaise. And I've even been told that Hellman's mayonnaise in England isn't as good as the Spanish one, so anyway, it's up to you. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to boil the eggs and cut up the crab sticks. And I've read on one of my YouTubes that it doesn't matter if you use hot or cold water for eggs, so I'm going to get a little bit hotter. Some water to the eggs. Unfortunately they're not Adam and Jamie, our son and daughter-in-law's eggs from their chickens, because we've used them all up. But there's the eggs ready to boil. And I usually boil them for about, I know it's a bit long, about 10 minutes. So there's the eggs on to boil, and now we're going to get these crab sticks cut up.
So I usually just use a knife when I'm chopping these up, but if you find it easier with a fork, it does take a lot of effort.
So this is the way I do it, just with a knife and fork, just keep cutting and cutting and cutting. Just like a crab stick workout.
We're nearly done now. You might think, if you've been watching some of our recipes, that we actually make a lot of food, and usually we do actually make a lot of food, and we use it over several days. But this particular salad is for a party that we're going to on Saturday evening, so we're making a lot because there's going to be a few people there, all social distance of course. The boss says that'll do.
I think that looks okay. Alright, so now we've just got to wait for the eggs to boil. Okay, so the eggs have been boiling away merrily for plenty of time. And try to get some cold water on them now. Our water tends to be very cold in the summertime. Right, they've cooled down a little bit now, so let's have a bit of peeling them. You never really know with an egg, do you, whether it's going to peel well or not? So let's just see. I think it depends on how fresh they are. So why do I think we did?
One nearly done.
Well, that took quite a bit of doing because some of the eggs didn't want to be peeled, but I managed to do them in the end. Right, so the next little operation is the eggs are going to be added to the crab sticks. Just throw them all in. This one's come a bit loose. There we are, that's got to go for washing. And this is a bit easier to do than cutting up the crab sticks. You just go for the eggs with your knife. You just cut them up and just keep mixing it all together. Right, I think that's looking pretty good. Looks nice as it is, and now we have our gluing ingredients, stick it all together, and this is the mayonnaise. And you need quite a lot. In fact, I don't even think there might be enough here. We'll see anyway. But it's such a nice creamy consistency. I have tried in the past, when Steve's been trying to lose a bit of weight, to add natural yoghurt, but it's not quite the same. So you just give it a nice stir. Just keep mixing it in from the sides. You can see that nice consistency and nice sheen that it's getting on it. So I do think we need a little bit more mayonnaise, so I'm just going to add that as well. Mayonnaise is a good staple. We always have mayonnaise in, and if you go to Carrefour sometimes it's buy 3 get 1 free, 3 for 2. So we always take advantage of that offer. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. And the final stage is to make it look nice. So I have got another nice bowl here. Just to finish it off, just been in the garden, I haven't got very much parsley I'm afraid, but I'm just going to stick that on the top for a bit of decoration. And it is very important with this that you do put it in the fridge. Don't eat it now, it won't be as nice. So stick it in the fridge, ready for our party tomorrow. And there's crab salad.